Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to actually start sums on definite integral. You just see here, okay? This is very important sum in any examination. You just see, okay? This is a sum based on definite integral. You see here 0 to pi by 2. If suppose I is equal to 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 sin square x divided by sin x plus cos x, okay, dx. That clear? So this will be here, this will be here. We shall use here uh, the formula, that is 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 sin square pi by 2 divided by sin pi by 2 minus x plus cos pi by 2 minus x, that is dx, okay. That is equal to 0 to pi by 2. This will be here cos square x dx divided by cos x plus sin x, okay, sin x. That clear? And when we shall add, this is also I. When we shall add this 2I together, then this will be 2I is equal to 0 to pi by 2, and this will be here sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Then this will be here sin x plus cos x dx, okay. As we know, this is if I will put here, if I am putting here sin 1 is equal to I am doing this calculation here. You just see here, actually I am doing here this is, if we put 1 is equal to cos x and 1 is equal to sin x. Why I have put here? Because this is 1 into 1 and this is into 1, okay. So this will be here, as I will squaring and adding these two equations, then we have here actually that will be here squaring and adding. Then what we have, first of all, this will be actually this is equal to r cos theta, sorry, 1 is equal to r cos theta, 1 is equal to r cos theta, and 1 is equal to r sin theta, okay. So squaring and adding, we have r square is equal to 2, and that is r is equal to r square, that is r square is equal to 2. So r is equal to plus minus under root 2, clear? This I have, from there I got the value, and r sin theta, equation second divided by equation first, we have here tan theta is equal to 1. Therefore theta is equal to pi by 4 I got here, okay. Theta is equal to pi by 4. So these two values I got here. Only actually this I will use here, that is equal to here I will consider root 2 here, and that is equal to, that will be equal to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, sorry, 0 to pi by 2. Actually I am doing this way. Suppose actually why I have done so cofactor method, I am writing this. This I will take the indifferent integral. It will be convenient. First of all, I am showing you indefinite integral here. So in this case, what will be here? It will be r sin x, r sin x, r sin x cos theta, and this will be uh, this will be r cos x, r cos x sin theta. Okay, clear? And that is dx. That part is dx here. So if I will take here 1 divided by r common, that means here sin x, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, that is here sin x plus theta. Okay, so the value of r is here root 2. So that is equal to 1 by root 2. I will take out of the integral here. So this will be here. I can do this dx because this is cosec x plus theta, and that will be dx. Okay, 1 by root 2 cosec x plus theta, and that will be dx. Okay, fine. So the value of x is here. The value of x, the value of r I have given, and theta is pi by 4. So 1 by root 2 I can put here directly. I am rubbing this part. Okay, I am rubbing this part. In this part I am showing you the integral. Actually, why it happens so, you just see here. If the on how you will do on that particular method, you will go through the indefinite integral. So why this cofactor method is used, I am writing here. If the numerator contains dx only while the denominator contains sin x and cos x, without free constant, then appeal to trigonometry for the cofactors. Okay, on that method I have evaluated indefinite integral here. If the numerator contains dx only while the denominator contains sin x and cos x, without free constant, then appeal to trigonometry, trigonometry, appeal to trigonometry for the cofactor. On that particular concept I have evaluated this definite integral. Okay, so you just see here what will be here. If I am putting theta is equal to pi by 4, then this will be here, that is equal to, after star you will continue from the star here, because space is not left in the bottom. That is why I am showing on the top of the whiteboard, and that is equal to 1 by root 2, and this will be cosec x plus pi by 4. I got it. Okay, theta value I have got pi by 4. You just see here, and this will be here. This will be a 1 by root 2, and that will be log 10. That will be here log, that will be a log 10, that will be a log 10, and this will be a x by 2 plus pi by 8, and that this will be dx. Okay, so this is the actually this part, and how we shall integrate this, you just see here, log 10 pi x by 2 plus pi by 8. Okay, and this part will be 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, and this is log, and what will be here, we shall do evaluate on that way. This part is x by 2 plus pi by 8. Okay, so that part, what I will do here, 1 by root 2 is out of this, out of the bracket. So now I can put this, uh, the value 2i is equal to, in this way I will do here, 2i is equal to 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 log 10 x by 2 plus pi by 8. Okay, no, here fine, not dx here, evaluated, so c will be used here, so in the definite integral we do not use here, we not use to use here, actually c, where we shall get here, we shall put here the lower limit and upper limit here, as we know, and then this will be here 0 to pi by 2. Okay, 0 to pi by 2. If I will put this value, if I will put this value, then this will be this will be this will be this will be used as this will be used as uh, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 will be out of the bracket, then this will be log 10, and this will be this log 10, and this will be used as this will be used as the, if I will put here the lower value, actually yes, pi by 8 is here, here the pi by 8 actually. So if I will put here, so this value I will get pi by 4 here, pi by 2, then this will pi by 2, and this will be pi by 4, pi by 4, and this will be pi by 8. Okay, this will be pi by 8, and this part will be here. If I will put pi by 2, then I will get this. Okay, pi by 2, and this part will be here, minus actually log a, this is log a, minus log b, log a, log pi by 8, log pi by 8, this we have here. Okay, so finally we have here 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, or this will be log 10, and 4 8 LCM is 8 here, 4 8 LCM is 8 here, so this will be 8. Okay, this will be 8, and this will be 2 pi plus pi. Okay, and minus log actually minus log 10 pi by 8, actually minus log 10 pi by 8. Okay, this is closed. Actually 1 by root 2 log 10, 2 pi plus pi divided by 8 minus log 10 pi by 8. Okay, that calculation I have got. Now I am rubbing this part. This is not required. Actually this part I have done. These all are going as 2i here. Okay, 2i. So remember this calculation is go through the calculation very carefully, and this part I am rubbing, not required. Whatever the requirement I have already mentioned here. Now you just see this part I am rubbing. Okay, and I clear the board. Now you just see here, this will be here 2i. This is 2i is equal to 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 is here, log 10, 10, log 10, 3 pi by 8, log 10, 3 pi by 8, 3 pi by 8, minus log 10, minus log 10, pi by 8 only here. Okay, clear? This part is here. So log a minus log b. Okay, log a I can put here in the first bracket. This is the angle, so I can put here. So log log a minus log b. Okay, so this part I can write in this way. Associated angle concept I can use. If I will add or subtract from odd multiple of 90 degree, then there is trigonometrical form is changed. However, the plus minus rule will be governed by the quadrant rule. Okay, so on that concept we can evaluate here, and that will be log uh, 10 pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Okay, and minus log 10 pi by 8 here. Okay, as we shall subtract here, 8 is the LCM, then 4 pi minus actually 4 pi minus pi, that is 3 pi by 8. So that's I have made you understand, not required to understand again. So this part will be here, actually log 10, this will be log cot. As I told you, the trigonometrical form will be changed here. Log cot pi by 8, log cot pi by 8 minus log 10 pi by 8. Okay, and this will be here 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, and this will be 1 by root 2, and this is here log a minus log b. That means log, I can write in this way directly, or directly also, but here I will use log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. That means here I can use cot pi by 8, pi by 8, pi by 8, pi by 8 divided by divide log a by b, actually log a by b, and here I can write here write here 10 pi by 8, actually pi by 8. Okay, in this way I can make the expression short. Okay, so that will be, if 1 by 10 pi by 8, 1 by cot pi by 8, if this will go in the numerator, then that will be 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, and log cot square, log cot square pi by 8. Okay, pi by 8. Okay, that will be equal to 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, and this is this cot pi by 8 whole square, and this 2 will come here as using the formula log m to the base a whole to the power n is equal to n log m to the base a. On that concept I will use here. 2 will come here, and this is log cot pi by 8. Okay, so ultimate calculation I got up to this, and that is 2i. You always remember, you should carry on this, otherwise you can misrepresented by yourself. So I am rubbing this part, not required. We have gone through the calculation of this part. Little bit the calculation is complex, but if you will go precautionally, you can do it. Okay, you should have to very concentrated and very attentive while you are doing this sum. Otherwise nothing in this particular sum you just see here. I can write here 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 you can write later we shall rationalize this to eliminate root in the denominator. 2 divided by root 2 log cos pi by 8. Okay, so this part becomes here. I got it here. Log, not cos here, cot. Sorry. This is cot. Okay, this is cot. This is cot. Okay, COT cot. Okay, so this part is here, and we know the formula 10 pi by 4. 10 pi by 4 is equal to 10 pi by 4 is equal to 210 pi by 8. 210 pi by 8 divided by 1 minus 10 square pi by 8. Okay, so the 10 pi by 4 is 1, I can put here, and this will be 210 pi by 8 and this is 1 minus 10 square pi by 8. Okay, now cross multiplication we have here 1 minus 10 square pi by 8 is equal to 210 pi by 8. Okay, so this part will be, you just see here, this part will be when we shall bring this side, then this will be 10 square pi by 8 and this will be 210 pi by 8 and this will be minus is equal to 0. This is quadratic in actually this is quadratic in we can say in 10 pi by 8. This is quadratic in 10 pi by 8. So we shall get the value of pi by 8 angle. Okay, you just see here 10 pi by 8 angle. So you just see what is happening here as we use the formula Siddha Acharya formula minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So in that formula, in that on the basis of that formula, I will evaluate this quadratic equation form in 10 pi by 8. Okay, you just see here, and we have the value here. But what the value we have? We have the value actually 10 pi by 8 value we have. Okay, so 10 pi by 8 is equal to minus b, that means minus of 2 plus minus b square, that means 4, minus 4ac, that means this is 1, 4 into 1 into minus 1, that will be 4, I can use here, divided by here 2 into 1. Okay, so this will be minus 2 and this will be 448. Actually under root 448. So we can write here 8 as 2 root 2. Okay, 2 root 2 divided by 2. When I will take minus 2 here common, then what is left here? minus 1 plus minus root 2. I will consider here positive value only. The 10 pi by 8 actually I got here. Okay. Then 10 pi by 8 I will consider here only the positive value because this is an acute angle. Okay. Why I will consider only the positive value? Because this is here two values, but I will use only the positive value because plus sign considered because acute angle acute angle acute 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 angle. Okay, this is acute angle, that is why I have taken I have considered plus sign. So you just see what will be here. I am rubbing this part because not required this part. Okay, yeah, this part actually not required. I got here final value here, cot pi by 8. Cot pi by 8 I will put this value here. Okay, so this part is not required, only the bottom part is required for the calculation. So that will be here 2i, that will be here 2i is equal to 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 will be here, and that is 2 in the place of numerator, it is already here, and this part I can write log actually log 1 by cot. This part I can write here 1 by cot pi by 8. Okay, it doesn't matter, I can write here directly. Okay, this is log and this is 1 log 1 by 10 pi by 8. That means I can write here directly as log 1 by 10 pi by 8. That means I can write here directly 1 divided by under root 2 minus 1. Okay, under root 2 minus 1. So this is the calculation actually. Log this is actually 10 by 1 divided by 10 pi 1 divided by 10 pi by 8, 1 divided by 10 pi by 8, and the value of 10 pi by 8 is minus 1 plus root 2. So I have put here. You just see one step, otherwise you will be misrepresented or misguided. That is why I am explaining one step more here. Okay, you just see and have patience. Okay, this will be log 1 divided by 10 pi by 8. Okay, just I am putting the value. Nothing is left to explain you because everything has been written, and that value is root 2 minus 1. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, and that will be actually this is 2i is going on. You will remember this 2i is going on. 2 divided by root 2, and this will be rationalized after rationalization. This will be root 2 minus 1, root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. So this will be root 2 plus 1, and this will be root 2 whole square. I am putting it in the second bracket because first bracket is already given in the logarithm domain. Okay, so you just see here. Okay, fine. So what is left here? That is 2. That part is 2i is here already going on under root 2 log root 2 plus 1 or 1 plus root 2. I can write both ways. So that is equal to 2 has been cancelled out. So what is left here? You just see here. You just see here what is happening in this case here. This part I am also rubbing because this is not required as we have done so far. I am keeping this space blank for making calculation here. You just see here, this one is left here. I's will be here. I will be here. 1 by root 2. That means if I am rationalizing, then root 2 divided by 2, root 2 divided by 2 log. I can write in this way also, 1 plus root 2, actually 1 plus root 2. Okay. So I is equal to, I is already, you know what is I. I have taken this. I is, that means 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 sin square x divided by sin x plus cos x. We know, as I considered I from the very beginning, so I can put here, we not required to do anything here, root 2 by 2 log 1 root 2. Okay, that's all. This is the final answer of this sum. No more, no more required to make you understand. That is the final. Okay, fine. Bye everybody. Okay.